Hey y'all, ready for a delicious old-fashioned treat that's as sweet as a southern drawl? This ain't your grandma's banana pudding. We're adding a creamy, dreamy twist. It's crazy easy to whip up, but your taste buds will be singing with joy. Get ready for a dessert that's pure comfort food with a touch of elegance. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. We need those classic vanilla wafers, the crispy kind. Grab some ripe bananas, the ones with those little brown spots are perfect. Sweetened condensed milk, it's our secret weapon. Cream cheese makes everything better, so we need that too. Vanilla extract adds a warm, homey flavor. And of course, we can't forget the whipped topping, the fluffy cloud on top of our dessert. All right, let's build this masterpiece. First, we mix that softened cream cheese with the sweet condensed milk until it's smooth and dreamy. Add a dash of vanilla yum. In your prettiest dish, start layering. Vanilla wafers first, then sliced bananas, then that creamy mixture we made. Repeat those layers until you reach the top. Easy peasy. The chill factor patience makes perfect. Now, this is important. Pop that beautiful creation in the fridge for at least 4 hours. This lets those flavors meld and the wafers soften just right. Trust me, the wait is worth it. While it's chillin', you can clean up or just relax and imagine how amazing that first bite will be. A taste of heaven. Your feedback welcomed. All right, time for the best part. Dig in. Grab a spoon and scoop up those layers of creamy goodness, sweet bananas, and those perfectly softened wafers. It's pure heaven. Don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments below. Did you add your own twist? What did your family think? And while you're there, hit that subscribe button for more fun and easy recipes. Thanks for watching and enjoy.